And welcome to SCI-EASE. In the last video we discussed about moon. That what moon is. I have told you that moon is non-luminous celestial body which do not emit its own light. What are the objects you see in the sky? We see stars during night in the sky. When we see the sky from some village, we will observe that full sky that is, you can say that is decorated. Sky is decorated with stars. कितने सुंदर लगते हैं तारे टिमटिमाते हुए. Okay. So what are stars? First, I want to tell you, stars are luminous objects, luminous celestial bodies. Why they are known as luminous celestial bodies? Because they emit their own light. How they emit their own light? Because of hydrogen and helium present in them, there is reaction between these gases, and as a result of it, tremendous amount of heat and light that is produced. So, a star is a luminous ball of gas, mostly of hydrogen and helium, held together by its own gravity. I have told you that stars, they emit their own light because they are luminous. And can you imagine that sun is also a star? Then you will question that sun appears to us during the day and also it is quite bigger in size. Sun is bigger in size because it is quite nearer to us than the other stars. Other stars, they are farther away from us. When we compare sun and other stars, the difference in the distance, that is quite a lot. Okay? तो sun पास है काफ़ी, वो भी मैं बताऊंगी कितना पास है. ओके? और stars बहुत दूर है, इसीलिए वो हमें कैसे नज़र आते हैं? As a point. Okay? And sun हमें दिन में दिखाई देता है because it produces so much bright light. Okay? And stars, they do not appear. आप कहोगे कि कहाँ चले गए? Stars चले जाते हैं कहीं? नहीं, वो वहीं रहते हैं. But क्या होता है कि वो bright light जो sun की है, उसमें stars हमें दिखाई नहीं देते. और जब sun छुप जाता है, okay, then what happens? That stars, they appear to us as a points, bright points in the sky. So a star is a luminous ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, held together by its own gravity. Stars emit light of their own. Sun is also a star. And the stars, they are millions of times farther away than the sun. Therefore, the stars appear to us as a point. I have told you that sun, that is nearer to us than the other stars. Okay? This you can prove that when you see the ball, football, which is lying near you, and the same ball, same type of the ball is kept 100 meters away from you, what you will observe? That the ball which is 100 meters away from us, that appears to be smaller. Okay? So, this is the reason why the sun, it appears to be bigger than the other stars. Now I want to tell you, this is earth, this is sun, and sun is 150 million kilometer from us. From the earth, it is 150 million kilometer. And you can judge that the other star which is next to the sun, that is Proxima Centauri. Okay? And its distance you can read that it's so much, this much kilometer that is away from the earth. That is why other stars, they appear to be like points. The other stars, they are even far away from this Proxima Centauri, so they appear to be like a points. Okay? So, how this distance that can be expressed? Should it be expressed in meters, kilometers, centimeter? No. This distance, such large distances, they are expressed in other units called the light year. Okay? So what is light year? I want to tell you, that is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. Okay, distance traveled by light in 1 year, that is known as the light year. It is not the time unit, it is the distance unit. It is the distance unit. Okay, and you know that speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or you can in kilometers, this is this much. Okay, so speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second, and the distance of the sun from earth may be said to be about 8 light minutes. So it will take light to reach earth from the sun. How much? It is 8 light minutes. It will take 8 minutes for the sunlight to reach the earth. Okay? And when we talk about the Alpha Centauri, then the distance of the Alpha Centauri, it is about 4.3 light years. Okay? So, you must remember this thing, that stars, they are there in the sky during the day and night also. They appear to us as small celestial objects because they are far away from us, and sun is also a star. It appears bigger because of the distance only, that it is nearer to the earth than the other stars. And the unit in which this distance that is measured, that is the light year. There is one question कि क्या तारे जो हैं वो अपनी जगह चेंज करते हैं? You know that earth rotates on its own axis. Earth that rotates on its own axis, it rotates on its own axis from west to east. From west to east. And the stars, they appear to move from east to west. Okay? Stars, they appear to move from east to west, and the earth, it rotates along its own axis from west to east. Okay? So, star which rises in the east, in the evening में ईस्ट में आया स्टार, वो सेट कहाँ करेगा? वेस्ट in the early morning. Why? Because the earth rotates from west to east. अब आप कहोगे कि सारे ही स्टार्स मूव करते हैं. क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि हमने कहा कि ऐसे अर्थ रोटेट कर रही है और स्टार्स भी मूव कर रहे हैं, तो सारे स्टार्स मूव करते हैं? नहीं, एक स्टार ऐसा है जो अपनी पोजीशन चेंज नहीं करता, और उसका नाम क्या है? पोल स्टार. क्यों? क्योंकि वो अर्थ के एक्सिस में ही प्रेजेंट है. ओके, देयर इज अ स्टार, द पोल स्टार, which is situated in the direction of the earth's axis. It does not appear to move. Okay, so I have told you all about the stars, that why they twinkle, why they appear to be very small, and how the distance of the stars that is measured from the earth, that is light year. These are the units. So I will take up in my next video, next topic, that is constellations. Till then, thank you very much.